scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Building height questions get sneaky fast, but this one is quick. Compare what makes the measured fall time bigger or smaller, then how height changes. Students calculate height from the drop time formula, where height depends on how long the ball falls. So a longer measured time produces a larger computed height. Watch that relationship carefully. So if the calculated height is greater than the real height, something must have made the ball take longer to reach the ground than the simple no air resistance model predicts. If air resistance is not negligible, it slows the ball downward, increases fall time, and makes the formula overestimate the building's height. So that matches. Well done! Option A, scan now. Trap, don't rush signs or assumptions. Rule, trust the given setup, then check each step before choosing.